We have the 2021 Seat Ibiza. This vehicle has done just under 35,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as assist. And on the right, we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, media, radio, smartphone integration, and Apple CarPlay. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control, and if we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes.